Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the nails drill only way. Start by choosing the correct bit, setting a low RPM, and testing on a practice tip before working on natural nails. Hold the drill flat, use short strokes, and keep movement steady to avoid gouging. Keep pressure light and let the bit do the work. Finish by wiping dust, applying cuticle oil, and practicing regularly to build smooth, safe technique. Always wear a dust mask and eye protection when using a nail drill, and tie back long hair. Inspect bits for chips and clean them before use to prevent damage. Adjust RPM according to bit type and material, starting low and increasing only as needed. Keep a firm grip and maintain steady hand positioning, resting your wrist on a stable surface. Practice on tips to build control and confidence before working on clients. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresher ride after sessions, grab Little Tree's Black Ice Car Air Freshener for a sharp, long-lasting scent. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and remember it pairs humorously with nail dust cleanup when you step outside. Thanks everyone. Now let's get back to the video. Use brief passes and avoid lingering in one spot to protect the nail bed and natural nail plate. Choose diamond bits for shortening and sanding bands for surface work, matching grit to task. Rotate the handpiece gently, using a back-and-forth technique on enhancements and alternate directions on natural nails. Keep a clean workspace, vacuum dust after each session, and replace worn bits to ensure consistent results and reduce infection risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.